We begin with the breaking news out of a Maryland courtroom. A federal judge orders the U.S. to bring back a Maryland immigrant mistakenly deported to an El Salvador prison.
7 News Maryland Bureau Chief Brad Bell was in the courtroom and just heard from the wife of the man who was deported. An emotional day, Brad.
Yeah, look, this is an extraordinary case. We've been talking about it this week. This man had lived here for quite a few years. He had no criminal history, but he was picked up by ICE. And then, in spite of a judge's order saying that he should not be deported to El Salvador, he was sent to that prison that we've all seen on TV with those men bent over and walked into a cell. The family got lawyers, they fought, and today, victory. Supporters rallied outside the U.S. District Court in Greenbelt as inside a Department of Justice attorney admitted to Judge Paula Zinnes that there was no legal basis for the arrest and deportation of Kilmár Abrego Garcia. He further admitted that he had no answer as to why the Beltsville resident was being held in the notorious El Salvadoran prison with others deported by the Trump administration. The judge quickly ordering the man returned to the U.S. by midnight Monday, a victory for Garcia's wife, who emerged from the courthouse to cheers.
I want to say thank you to everyone that has helped us, that has supported us in fighting this, and we will continue fighting for Kilmár, for my husband.
Yeah, so she only had a few words. Earlier today, we got to talk to her at greater length. She said her family's life has been completely upended. Her children don't understand it. They try to communicate with on their tablet with their father. Of course, no luck there. Now, the next question is, will the federal government obey? We have not gotten any word on that at all. I will say that the lawyer that was in here representing the Trump administration, a longtime Department of Justice lawyer, actually admitted to the judge it's going to be frustrating because he said, I don't have a lot of answers for your questions, when the judge was asking about the status of Kilmár and why he was being held. And he said it was actually his advice to his client, and that is the Trump administration, to bring the man back to the country. We're going to be back at 6 with much more on this case. In Greenbelt, Brad Bell, 7 News.